Yeah, hi, good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining this wonderful session. So we'll start the session in a couple of minutes. We'll wait for others to join. So let them join. Yeah. So in the meantime, I request the participant to use the chat box, use the comment box. You can please mention your name, the location where you have joined, and your profession, what you are currently dealing. You please utilize the comment box. You can mention your name, location, and the profession, what you are currently doing. Yeah. So exactly in another 3 minutes, we'll start the session. So we'll wait for another couple of seconds. So let's others to join the session and then we'll start the session. So I request every participants to utilize the comment box. Please use the comment box. Please mention your name, the location where you have joined, and the profession what you are currently doing. I could see Mr. Yokesh from Ahmedabad and corporate happiness coach. Yeah, welcome to the session, Yokesh. Good evening. Altaf Alam, welcome to the session. Altaf, also you can mention your profession, career, educational consultancy. You are already doing a consultancy, I believe. Yeah. I request everyone to utilize the comment box. Please mention your name, location, as well as the profession, what you are currently doing. So we'll start in a couple of minutes. Let's wait for others to join, and then we'll start the session. Just a couple of minutes, we'll start the session. Yeah, hi. Good evening, Mr. Sandeep. Sandeep, please mention your location as well as the profession what you are doing. Hi, Ganesh. Welcome. Welcome to the session. Yeah, hi, Neelam. Already educator. Great. From Delhi. We could see like Sachin, IT training, Pune. Great, great. Welcome to the session, Sachin. Yeah, hi, Moses. Please mention your location as well as the profession what you're currently doing. So we'll exactly start in another 2 minutes. We'll wait for others to join, and we'll sharply start the session in 2 minutes. Yeah, good evening, Mr. Sandeep. A trainer from Bangalore, Mr. Ganesh. Jitinder, good evening. Hi, Jitinder. Thanks for joining this wonderful session. Dr. Veera, AVP Operation in Healthcare Industry, Andhra Pradesh. Welcome to the session, Mr. Veera. So we'll start in another 1 minute exactly. And all the doubts, whatever you are having, please use the comment box. Whatever the queries you are having, you can always use the comment box. We'll address all your queries. Mr. Vikas Sharma, good evening. Mr. Vikas, also you can mention the location as well as the profession what you are doing. Welcome to the session, Mr. Lokraj. Good evening. Mahendra Prasad. Good evening, Mahendra Prasad. Please mention your location as well as the profession what you are doing, Mr. Mahendra Prasad. Apurva, welcome to the session, Mr. Apurva. Welcome to the session, Mr. Raj. Moses from Bangalore, catering into business. Okay, okay. Yes, Ganesh, I can able to identify each one of you. Mr. Raj from Kerala, HR manager. Welcome to the session, Mr. Raj. Rupinder, good evening, Rupinder. Yeah, we'll start the session. Once again, welcome guys, welcome everyone. Thanks for joining this wonderful, evening. Friday is basically like people will be having so much like plan, weekends plan. So I welcome everyone. We'll start the session. So today we all are gathered here. Mr. Pramod, welcome to the session. So today we all gathered like to discuss something very important to start your own career counseling business into the admission overseas as well as into the like campus Indian admissions also. So as a company, Edu Milestones, we are going to discuss completely in and out about how as an individual I could see people are joined from various industry from various locations wanted to start their own like admission counseling business. So how you can start effectively as a business and how you can able to run this along with your job, whatever you are doing it, let it be a like you are already an employee or you are already running a various business, how you can add this into your career and how you can able to start this as a lucrative way. So we'll discuss. So this entire program is called Triple CAS. What is Triple CAS? Of course, it is mentioned over the Certified Career Counselor for International Studies, which is offered by Edu Milestones. This particular program, we have a accreditation from international body, which is ACCPH UK, which is nothing but accredited for coaches, counselors, psychotherapists, hypnotherapists from UK. And also, as a company, Edu Milestones, we are an organizational member of APCDA, which is Asia Pacific Career Development Association, and IAAP, which is International Association of Applied Psychology. So this particular specific program, Triple CAS, you will get an accreditation from ACCPH. Also, as a company, we are having an organizational member with ACPDA and IAAP. Okay. So now we have to understand, few things. What is this admission counseling business? What are the key features which Edu Milestone is going to provide? The major key features in Edu Milestones, first thing, you will be getting a complete training, admission counseling training, and post that certification, of course. Then you will be having a admission for domestic as well as overseas, and you will be having a lucrative payout for that. And third is we'll give you end-to-end business and marketing support completely. And fourth is the most important thing where many people are lacking, which is the platform integration. We have enabled a platform which having a various university tie-ups, details, real-time data, everything as a complete together. Okay, we'll discuss about end-to-end how as an individual when it comes to a beginner into this industry, you can able to start it and you can able to make it as a lucrative business. Okay, so first I want to discuss about something about Edu Milestones. So Edu Milestones is a 15 years organization, a 15-year-old organization. We started it as a private limited 2010 and it is 2026. We have completed our 15 years last month actually, and we have we have received various prestigious award in this past 15 years. And we have a wider range of university tie-ups. What are the advantages in Edu Milestones? You could see we have a wider range of university tie-ups that no one having in this market. Basically, we have 1,500 plus abroad university tie-ups, direct tie-ups, and we have 1,700 plus Indian colleges tie-up. Along with that, we have more than 5,000 channel partners. The people like you, the people who join like you, have trusted us and being a partner of Edu Milestones more than 5,000 channel partners across the world, not only in India, across the world. And we have a presence more than 45 countries, including all the major countries, you can say US, Canada, Middle East, European regions, like South Africa, all the places we have a people, and they have trusted us, and they are being a happy partner with us. So myself, my name is Abu Bakr. I'm a program manager at Edu Milestones. I personally handling more than 200 plus channel partners and helping more than 200 people to onboarded with us, as well as making this business as a lucrative one. We have received several awards. I wanted to show you some awards, which is like very recently we got it. For example, best career counseling platform global education award in 2025. Very recently we got this award. And we have received Entrepreneur India award, education innovation award in 2023. And also our co-founder, Mr. Ankit Agarwal, he is the program director also of this company. He's been listed as a top transformational leader to watch in 2023 by Outlook, Business Standard, and ANI. You can watch his transformational leaders in YouTube also. It is available. And we got a Pioneer Career Counseling Award, again education, Asian Education Award in 2025. And we got a Educational Excellence Award in 2025 by Economics Times and EY. These are the recent awards we have received it. Now we'll discuss about the program, what exactly the reason why we all are joined together. We are discussing about it. CCCIS, what we are going to cover in this CCCIS. See, before joining, discuss about what is CCCIS or what is all this about, I wanted to tell you a few things. Let's suppose you wanted to start any business, let it be anything, restaurant or educational consultancy or anything. So first you have to understand few things. First you have to understand about the market, and then you have to understand what is the growth you are having in that particular industry, and how you are going to implement, or you are going to compete with this this industry, and what are the scopes or what are the technologies which is required to establish this particular business, any business. So we'll discuss all in this particular session. So the program which we offer, CCCIS, it is a complete business setup. It's similar like a franchisee, but the advantage is Edu Milestones. We are providing a channel partnership. The major advantage when you start your education consultancy, study abroad consultancy, what you will be looking, you wanted to start it as for a longer run. So no one will be looking for a business for just 6 months or a year. Yeah, everyone will be starting a business with a lot of dream, hope, and we wanted to expand as a brand, where we can see so many companies, same like Edu Milestones. You can say 15 years we have been in this. So for that, we are providing a channel partnership. In this, you can use Edu Milestones name for your credibility, for your market reach. You can use Edu Milestones name. At the same time, you can able to build your own brand in the longer run. So you can able to promote your brand. So that is why we starting a business. Yeah. So that is the major advantages in Edu Milestones. You are starting a business with the help of Edu Milestones, with the help of Edu Milestones name, as well as at the same time, you can able to use your own brand name. Now, what is required to start business? So Edu Milestones, we provide a 360-degree support to start your business, starting from training. As I said, you need a proper knowledge to start any business. So we are providing a proper training. You will get it completely. And the second is the credibility in the market. So you will be getting an accreditation from ACCPH. So certification, you will be receiving it. And third is the most important thing, because software, tool and technology is very much important when you wanted to scale up your business rapidly. Even you wanted to sustain in the market, technology adoption is very much important. So nowadays you can see ChatGPT, multiple AI things are there, but still, why someone, a parent or a student, trust us and do for the admission? We need a proper technology, so that we are providing it, and technical support for all your technology platforms, marketing guidance to penetrate the market properly. We are giving a complete training to give you the understanding how crucial to generate leads and how implement and penetrate the market. And the admission support, which is very much important, where you can see you might have a number of students who is ready to take the admission, but you have to know each country admission how works, as well as you need a proper support. So we'll give you the complete admission support, end-to-end admission support, and we'll be giving handholdings also, even initial counselings which is required when you are new to this industry, when you are starting very new to this market. You have to counsel the student properly. So that is also we are providing it. And we provide education loan assistance, IELTS support, all these things we are providing. So it's a single window where you will be having a various services, and you can provide a proper end-to-end business support for your your students or people who is looking for it. Once again, this is not like just you are going to do the admission for the student. Admission anyone can do. Many people are doing working as an agent, and they are doing admission. What is the difference in EduMilestones being a partner instead of agent? See, here our aim is not to just do admission or getting commissions. That is a byproduct, you can say. Okay, anyhow, we'll be receiving a commissions from universities after the admissions. But our major intent or our major service is counseling the student and really giving them the right universities which they are deserve, not eligible, because people will be eligible at the end. We have to give them the proper university which they are really deserve. So that is why we have a wider range of university tie-ups, so we can properly counsel them, not just admission, and we can provide them the proper admission which they really deserve. Okay, now we'll discuss about the earning opportunities which you are having in this business. As I said, revenue is a byproduct for any company. At the same time, it is a fuel for the company. So we have a various revenue options. First thing is you have a counseling revenue where you can counsel the student, and for that counseling you can charge them, because you are not going to just give the random information. We are going to provide the information which really student needs, which the candidate required. So that counseling you can provide and you can charge them. Second is markups. What is markup? Basically, I wanted to discuss in detail about markup. Markup, even we can do a non-tie-up university admissions also with various countries. So we have a markups. I'll explain you in detail. And most important is the payout we will be receiving from the university post-admission, after the successful of admission. And we provide IELTS coaching also. As I said, like we have a specific trainer. So if your student is looking for IELTS coaching, a certification where we can provide a coaching, and you will get a commission for that. Along with that, we provide PG accommodations in various places, various country, so which is also integrated in our platform. So you'll be getting a commission for that. Flight booking also we have integrated, so we'll get a revenue from that also. Education loan assistance, education loan also we are providing. We have a direct tie-up with banks. We'll be getting a commission for that also. And the most important is channeling. See, channeling is the crucial one when you start your business. Let's suppose after a 6 months or a 1 year, you wanted to expand. Say, for example, I'm in Bangalore. Let's suppose I'm taking this business. I have penetrated in Bangalore market, but I wanted to penetrate others, the rest of Bangalore, or other states or other cities. Let's suppose Andhra or Tamil Nadu or Kerala or Northeast or North. So what I can do is simply I can hire agents in that particular areas. I can provide my technology platform into them, okay, as a CRM. I can provide them, and they can do admission for you, and you can provide them the commissions based on the admissions. So that is also you can do. So you can keep agents for your business. That is also applicable in EduMilestones. So these are the revenue options you have. Now comes to the services, because any company who wanted to survey in a longer run, support should be proper. So that is why EduMilestones we provide various services, starting from registration process, application for them, verification their documents and everything, SOP assistance, the complete admissions, with the university, if they're eligible for the scholarship, how to get the scholarship, all the support. IELTS coaching we are providing, offer letter from universities, education loan assistance, visa, end-to-end visa support, forex support, airport pickup we are doing it, even accommodation we have, like PG accommodations, hotel booking, everything, visa interview guidance we are giving, mock interview, everything, as well as Indian online admissions, as well as campus admissions. That is also we are providing. It's not only just abroad admission, we can provide Indian as well as campus, as well as online degree admissions. We are providing it. What are the advantages of the payouts which I discussed? Markup. As I said, we have a various university tie-ups. Apart from that, we have more than 7 lakh plus universities real-time database which is being integrated in our platform. So even non-tie-up universities, you can consider universities like Ivy League universities, top prestigious universities like Harvard, Columbia University, Yale University, Princeton University. These universities also top universities in the world. We can do admissions because these universities generally don't tie up with anyone. They are receiving lakhs of admissions every year, but hardly they'll give 50 admissions or 100 admissions in a year. So these universities also we can do admission. We have a proper team for that. So these university, how we will be receiving commission because we don't have a direct tie-up with them. So in this universities, Ivy League universities, we will be charging 35,000. I mean, EduMilestones will be charging 35,000 for the candidate for first application. For after every 5 applications, it will be 5,000. How much you can charge the student? For these prestigious universities, minimum you can charge them 1 lakh to 1.5 lakhs rupees because getting admission is very difficult, and building a proper proper portfolio for this admissions is very important. So you can easily charge them, and we'll do the entire admission process. Now comes to the category 2. So we have a various category. Category 2 is the again tie-up universities. In that it is zero. Even application fee is we are not charging, completely zero, and you will be getting 70% commission for that. What is the 70-30? You will be receiving 70% of commission. Stones will get 30% of commission. So the 70% is every university will have a breakout point for each admissions from that 70%. Let's suppose I'm doing an admission for one UG program or a master program, whatever. University is giving a commission of 3 lakhs. So from that 3 lakhs, you will be receiving 70%, which is 2,10,000. And EduMilestones will get 30%, which is 90,000. For this 90,000, EduMilestones will take care of the entire end-to-end admission, starting from the application process till the visa process, till the student join in the first day, airport pickup, including that. Okay. Now category 3, again, which is not into category 1, which is not Ivy League colleges, at the same time, which is not into category 2. These are all the non-tie-up universities. You can say these universities, we will be charging them 25,000 for 5 applications. You can minimum charge them 70,000 to 1 lakh rupees for these universities. And category 4 is the European universities, specifically the universities, public university, or there is no fee or low fee, completely like 50% scholarship, 100% scholarship universities. These universities we can do a like admission process for the student, and we will be charging 35,000 including application fee, entire processing, and you can charge them minimum of 70,000 for these universities completely. And when it comes to category 5, which is like you can say Asian countries like Japan, South Korea, Hong Kong, Taiwan, multiple other countries, we'll be charging 60,000 rupees for 3 universities, and you can minimum charge them 1,20,000 rupees minimum, and you can charge more than 1,50,000 also. So whatever you are charging more than 60,000, that is completely your commission, completely. And category 6, again, which is a medical universities, we will be charging 60,000. And of course, you know how lucrative when it comes to medical admissions in India. So you can charge them like 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs for the admissions. Okay. So these are the category of colleges. Even non-tie-up universities, we can do admissions. And we have more than 1,500 plus universities for overseas. But still, more than 1,500 universities, you need to do admission for any other countries or any other programs. We can do admissions and we can generate a revenue. So it's like we can do admission for any program in any country. Okay, it's completely depends on the student's eligibility also, once again. Okay, now IELTS coaching, as I said, like we provide IELTS courses. So we have a 2 various programs in IELTS, same program in different mode of delivery we are providing. One is extensive program, which is 4 weeks program, totally 20 sessions. Each session will be 1 hour, and Monday to Friday, it's week based training, and it will be charged 8,000 rupees for the program, and you will be getting a commission of 2,000 rupees. Okay, and weekend, which is Saturday only, 6 weeks, we'll be having total 6 session, 3 hours each session. Okay, 4 mock tests will be there in the session also. So that is also 8,000. It is basically depends on the student whether they wanted a weekend or weekday batches. So based on that, we can provide, and you will get a commission of 2,000 rupees. Okay. Now we'll discuss about Indian admissions. Am I audible to everyone? Please respond in the chat box if you guys are able to hear me properly. Please reply in the comment box. If you can able to hear me, please reply yes. Yes, yes, I could see. Yes, great, great, great. Yeah. So we provide Indian admissions. So Indian admissions, we have a two category. One is online degree admissions. Another one is campus admissions. Online degree admissions, we have more than 150 plus universities for more than 2,500 plus programs, as well as campus admissions. We have more than 1,200 and plus universities tie up. So, what is the advantages of online admissions? Why online? Since we do overseas, which is very lucrative option, mostly we'll be preferring overseas. But why still online admission? Online admission, there are so many advantages are there. First is intake. There is no intake based. It's not like a seasonal business online. It is every month you can do admission. So which means every month you will be having a candidate and you can place them. And second is high payouts you will be having in all academic years. So the commission what you are receiving, which is not only 1 year, the initial time, it is for the entire academic year. Let's suppose if it is a 3-year degree program, all 3 years you will be getting a commission. If it is a 2-year, all 2 years you will be getting commission. So that is one more advantage you have. If you are placing a student of 10 or 15 students for online, even you may not be remember, but the next year you will be receiving your commission. And the second, the third important is online degree is very affordable, and you have a good market also. So many people will be looking for it, and it has been increasing every year because after COVID, after pandemic, many people preferring online degree, especially working professionals, especially working in MNC companies, IT companies, for their promotional, for their appraisal, for many reasons, they will be looking for a certification programs or a degree programs. So these people will be your target audience. So it has been increasing every year, like minimum of 50 to 40 to 50%. So it is having a very good scope in that particular area, online degree admissions. And Edumilestones is the first company who came up with the lead luck mechanism for our channel partners. What is the advantages of this lead luck mechanism, or what is the use of lead luck mechanism? See, lead luck mechanism is very simple. Let's suppose you have a student and you counsel them, you give them the complete understanding about one a program, and they are ready to take admission into any university. Okay, after your counseling, the student may approach the university directly since it is online, so they can able to easily approach and they can do admission by themselves. So that is why we came up with this lead lock. When you are applying the university, when we are applying to the university, directly you can apply through our platform. The lead will be locked with the university. Even the student is bypassing you and doing the admission also, you will receive a commission. So which is very clearly explained in the platform in the upcoming, in the session. And we have a direct tie-up connections with the universities. It is not like third party involved. It's a direct tie-ups, and we have we can do admissions for Indian students as well as international students. Depends on their country, we can do admissions, and it is all are equivalent to degree recognized by UGC and AICT. So it is a degree program or equivalent to degree program, we can do admissions. So that is the advantage you have in online admissions. So these are the some of the university which we have a direct tie-ups like Jain University, BMS College of Engineering, Reva University, Christ University, and much more universities we have a tie-ups. Okay, and these are the the revenue or the commissions, you can say payouts our channel partners are receiving for each admission. You can see there is a fluctuation 1,69,000, 1,96,000, 4,87,000, 1,57,000, or 1,97,000. It completely depends on program to program and university to university. So you have a revenue option where you can get 1 lakh also, at the same time where you can get 4 lakhs also. So both is there, okay, because we have a wider range of university tie-ups. And the crucial thing is the marketing. As I said, any business marketing is important. So we'll give you all the marketing materials which is required on a daily basis also. say for example, when the intake happens, what is the scholarship, when it's going to happen, when is the deadline, what is the procedure over there, all the marketing flyers, posters, brochure, PPT, everything you can get it. Simply you can download this materials and you can add your contact details and you can use for your own promotional activity completely. So we'll be providing you a number of marketing materials. Next is the certification. As I said, post your training, you will be having a certification which comes with the international accreditation, which is ACCPH UK, an organizational member of IAAP and APCDA. So this is the sample certificate. You will be receiving it post your training. Certification, you have to go with the exam. You have to undergo with the exam and you have to clear a minimum of 65% to get the certification. I hope you guys cleared about the business setup, what we are providing it. Simply, if I want to tell you what you need to do this business or to start this business, simple. You can register with Edu Milestones. Once you have done the registration with Edu Milestones, being a partner with Edu Milestones, you can counsel them properly with the Deserve University using the technology platform, using our training and everything. Once you counsel them and you shortlisted the colleges for them, collect the documents, scan the documents and upload in your platform, forward to the Edu Milestone backend team, because we will be assigning a backend team admission managers. They do the entire end-to-end admission process for you. So you can simply forward to them. They will be doing everything. You don't need to hire people or you don't need to hustle what will happen, whether they will receive the offer letter from the university, visa process, nothing. You don't need to worry, because our team will take care of it completely. You can relax, you can sit and relax, and automatically you will receive your commission for that admissions. And using our platform, you can able to track every students, when the commission will be received or what is the commission, how much, all the details you can able to track using the platform completely. So far I have explained you the complete the business integration, the services what Edu Milestone is offering, what are the things are there. Okay, now you will be getting a complete understanding about the platform, how the platform look like, how you can filter colleges or admission process or counselings and everything using the platform. My colleague Mr. Brahmajit Anand will explain you in detail. Yes, Mr. Brahmajit, you can proceed.
Thank you so much, Abubakar, for that explanation. So, good evening, everyone. So, in this session, I'm going to demonstrate you the complete technology part, by using this technology, how you can set up your own study abroad end-to-end business. So, basically, this is a centralized application management system. So, this entire technology is created in such a way that you can manage the complete end-to-end education cycle of the candidate, whether it's a global admission or Indian admission or Indian online admission. So all admissions are integrated under a single platform. So without any further delay, let me share my screen and show you the entire platform. Please confirm once my video is shared with you. Okay, so I will divide my session into mainly three parts. First, I will show you the entire platform from the student point of view, where we will be providing a dedicated web page. Then I will show the entire platform from your CRM point of view or your admission dashboard point of view. And third, I will show this entire platform from the business point of view, where you can source files. The files means student profiles from your referral partners. So let me first start with the student point of view. So basically for all our partners, we create a dedicated web page. This is one of the demo web page you can see over here. Like this, we will be creating a web page for all our channel partners. So throughout this platform, it will display your logo. Despite of Edu Milestone's logo, it will be showcasing your logo, your contact details like email ID, your contact number, and the company branding. URLs will be co-branded. So that's how it is. Now, how this flow works, I'll explain that. For example, you have a web page you already have like this one. Now the candidate will come to your dedicated web page and click on let's get started. So this is how the journey of the student starts. So here you can see let's get started. So as a student, I will click on let's get started. Post click to this. What happens? Straight away, system will ask, are you looking for admissions for bachelor's program, master program, or doctorate program? For example, let's consider I am looking for the bachelor program. So I'm clicking on the bachelor's right now. So once I click on this bachelor's, automatically one profile link page will open up and it will ask me questions, certain questions and details to the candidate like academics, my percentage, my subject. So candidate need to complete this profiling first. So based on this, automatically recommendations will come. So I'm just filling this profiling very fast. For example, preferred intake, I'm just selecting March. Overall percentage I have is 80 percentage. Just subject combination. Then I'm filling the board, CBSE board, IBDP points, then year of passing, 2018. Then any backlogs, zero. Any education gap, no gap. Work experience, no. IELTS score, I'm giving just 6.5. Individual score, not required. SAT score, not appeared. Any budget constraints, I'm just giving no constraints. Country preference, I'm selecting UK. Previous visa rejection, no. Course preference, I'm just selecting data science. Then do you have any university? No. Are you looking for undergraduate degree program? Any your expectations? No. Emergency contact number. Entered. So first step is student will land to your web page that we have provided to you and complete their profiling. Now once the profiling is completed, I have to click here start. So after this, uh, once it is done, hold on a second. Course preference.
Just a minute.
Okay. So coming back to that, so once we completed this entire profiling, so what happens, I will show you. So this once everything is done, then comes the next part, the shortlisting of colleges. So based on the data I have provided, what happens is that so a entire list of colleges will be submitted. For example, now once I submit my complete profiling, system will automatically shortlist colleges for me based on my profile. That is what you can see over here. So first thing is, if I look at here, there are colleges that has been shortlisted. The name of the colleges are available. All the things are available. So one very important thing to understand here is this platform we are having have a tie-ups with 1,500 universities across the globe. But this course finder will not only include the tied-up universities, this will also include the non-tied-up universities also. So we are having information available in our platform of more than 5 lakh plus courses across 22 plus different countries and are managed and updated by centralized system. So now where you are finding these blue icons, you can see over blue icons are there. That means these are tied up universities. So candidate can see all the information like college prediction, which is available over here. How much chances I am having to get admission in the particular college based on the profiling and historical data that is available over here. It will showcase the complete course name, duration of the course, IELTS score requirement, ranking, then intake time, everything will be available over here. So next thing, if I want to see, like for example, I click on the more details, which is available here, it will straight away take me to the official website of that particular college. Let's wait for that. This is the official page of that particular college that is also available. And coming back, if I click on college details as a candidate, I'm just clicking over here, which is available here. I can start my application. So I can upload my document here itself, and I can track my application status also in the system. So from here, I can do all these things, and even I can shortlist colleges also. For example, I have shortlisted this, so I have to remove. For example, I have to shortlist this college, shortlisted. Then I want to shortlist this college, shortlisted. That is also possible. So another scenario, if as a counselor or as a company you wanted to block this window for the candidate, like I don't want this course finder for the candidate to be visible, then we can shortlist from our side. So we can define a customized message also to the candidate, like congratulations, your profiling is completed, and will connect back to you with your profiling and with the shortlisted college names also. So if you want, you can hide this information from the candidate as well. Now here, I can see there are a lot of filters available. For example, here more filters are available. If I click on it, you can filter based on the education level, based on however you want it. Then you can filter based on the IELTS, TOEFL, PT, based on that, based on the intake time, based on the world rankings, based on the grading type that is available, based on the fee range. So all these filters are available. So plenty of filters are available, and based on the location also, if you wanted to do some filtration. For example, I am changing UK to USA. Okay, okay, USA, click searched. Right now these are the USA colleges, like University of North Florida. So automatically it will give the entire information available in the platform based on the location also. Then system will automatically generate one report, so that you can see on the top over here, the green report which is available here. Once I click on this report, you can see the complete report with profiling. This report comes with your company logo and company branding, by the way, that will be showcased here. Now, here in this report, whatever responses I have given as a part of the profiling, that is in the first part, the questions that I have answered, you can see all these things, and system will be capturing. All the things are captured already here. And one more very important thing to be noticed, you can see all these things, and system also have given one score that we can call it as profile weightage. So any profile that's above 68 percentage is considered as a good profile. So this is a good profile. Now, apart from this, all the college shortlisting, what you have done is again documented in a single report. You can see down here, these are the colleges we have shortlisted. That is also again documented in a single report. So very important thing to understand is that not only this, not only the college shortlisting, once we submit the application, until the candidate is going and studying in abroad, the complete tracking will be available as a part of this report. And this report will get bigger and bigger. That is another thing. So candidate or counselor can download this report and share with the candidate. Any number of reports can be downloaded, which is available. The can click the button and you can download it. And there is no limit on the profiling part, by the way. And this platform, coming back to the platform again, is not only limited with any abroad admission. One second. Yep. Coming to the next part. Now there is a main thing to see is that English test that is also available here. So if you want to understand where the student is standing in front of English proficiency, as a counselor, you can ask the student to take this English proficiency test. That can be done. So that once the test is done, that details also will be available in the uh, report. That is also possible. Yeah. So next thing I want to showcase is that the documentation part that is available. One second, let me check my internet connection. How to stop? And what is this showing? Why it is not loading?
No, it should be.
Go to complete profile.
Please use the comment box or chat box for all your queries. Okay, whatever you guys have. Completely. Okay, some people are already asking about the IELTS success rate. What is the IELTS success rate? So the IELTS success rate is 97 percentage, which we are having in for the IELTS. And I could see some people are texting that they are not able to hear. So in your login page, in the bottom left corner, you will be having click a sound to enable it. You can able to hear it properly. Yeah.
Yeah, coming back to the technology part. So we were discussing about the English test. Now coming back to the another feature which is available. So in this platform, it is not only limited with international universities, by the way, it is also having information of Indian colleges where you can submit applications. That is what we are going to discuss right now. So for that, you are just to click, for example, Indian University Online. For example, I want to go for online MBA. Automatically the complete list of MBA admission colleges will be populated here like this, you can see. So now what we have done, one thing really great and proud of it is that we have integrated this platform with Indian universities in the real time. It means whatever information you are finding over here is as accurate as current information at this time, because all these are real time information coming from these universities that we have integrated with our platform. So you can see the entire information, like for example Amity University fee is available. Exam pattern, if you want to see, you can click here and you can see all the exam patterns which are available. And if you want to see the faculty details, that is also readily available. Then if you want to see the sample degree, that is also possible to see from here. Then if you want to see the placement related data, that is also readily available. So if you want to download the prospectus, that is available from here. Just I'm clicking here. Then their prospectus will open up. That is also possible. Now, next thing, if you want to apply to this university, then you can click apply. And you can apply to the university as well as from here. You can enter the details, apply now and all. Now, understand one point over here. When I click on the apply, this is a real-time applying to the Indian university, by the way. Straight away, application goes to the university, and if it's coming university applied successfully, it means the lead is logged. This is what in the last session Abu Bakr was discussing about how the lead log mechanism works. So here we have submitted the live application, so that is done. So when I'm saying it's log, it means if this candidate is directly approaching to the university and take the admission, still you will get the full payouts, because what we have done is real-time application submission from the portal directly to the Indian University with a lead log. Second thing, if this program is for 4 years duration, you will get the payouts for all the 4 years: first year, second year, third year, and fourth year. So all these are integrated in the platform, and for Indian admissions, you will be getting payouts just by just next month itself. Say for example, this month you have submitted 40 applications. Next month, all the payouts will come, and whenever students is making the payment year by year, you'll be getting all the payouts over here. So this is like a short-term revenue you can get, and payouts are as good as international universities like 10%, 50%, and all. Internationally, you will be getting the payouts on the first year. Here, you will be getting the payouts for all the years. So Indian University are also integrated in this platform seamlessly. So that is there. Now coming back to the another feature, there is a document management session. English test we already covered. I'm just clicking on the documentation. First is the application documents, which is you can see over here. And second is visa related documents. It's also available. So candidate can upload all the documents over here, or our backend team will start submitting their applications also. If the candidate is not uploading these documents by themselves, no problem. Counselors from their panel also can upload on behalf of the candidate, and we can submit the application to the dedicated backend team. So next, there is a SOP maker. You can see over here, the step 5. So that is also connected with the platform. Now this SOP maker will help the students to write a winning SOP. Now by default the SO bakery is blocked. You can see it is blocked right now, right? But for companies or counselors, we have given the access where you can allow a particular candidate to write the SOP using this SOP maker. Previously, actually, we made it open-ended, but many partners started saying give a control to us to enable SOP maker, and we want only give this option for selective candidates because we are charging. So now you can see contact to your counselor to activate SOP maker, and they can activate the SOP maker from their panel. So SOP maker is also connected over here. Then comes the application tracking. That is another option which is available. Application tracking window. I'm just clicking on here. When you're submitting multiple applications of a candidate, starting from application submission till candidate is getting the visa or landing in that country, every single thing will be tracked in a single window. You must be remembering these are the colleges we have shortlisted while doing the profiling part. All the colleges will be showing over here, so they can see all the updates. So this is a centralized application tracking system where student and counselor can track everything from their counselor dashboard. Whenever any application status changes or university inform any update, counselor or a partner will get the notification in their WhatsApp also. If it's offer letter, only one copy will come in your WhatsApp also, and it will showcase in the CRM as well. So not only this platform, you also will get automated messages in your WhatsApp also that is connected with this platform. So apart from that, every partner we onboard will be having a dedicated counselor who will be helping starting from the college shortlisting to application submissions to visa and payouts. So every single time you will be having a dedicated counselor who will be helping you out in the entire process. So that if you are absolutely new in this industry and you don't know the basics, then the counselor will help you out for each and every profile. In fact, in this initial stages or initial cases, you can set the meeting online and your dedicated counselor will provide the entire counseling and you can just monitor and learn things in the initial stages. So next is another option which is available. I'm just going back to the home page. uh, Travel arrangements. So if you click over here, you will be able to see flight booking, hotel booking, abroad accommodation. All these things are available. So you are becoming a one-stop solution for the students who want to go abroad, by the way, through this. So if they wanted to take a flight tickets or something, you will be able to provide that. For example, I'm just clicking on it. You can see how it is working, right? So that is also integrated with the landing page for you we are creating. Like coming back, if I wanted to check uh, abroad accommodation. So some people would like to take accommodation before they are landing, so they can take that through you. So if I want to check this particular property, I'm just clicking on here. It will showcase all the facilities available, amenities, what's payment related details, all the things. If, for example, if I want to even check the distance between this particular property and the university where I'm studying, I'm just clicking on the map view. So I want to search, okay, for example, I'm at the University London campus I'm studying, just 7 minutes walk. So this level of integrations has been done over here. So that's how the first part of this technology, that is the landing page we are creating for our channel partner. Now moving to the second part, how the counselor interface looks like. That is a CRM we are talking about. So I'm just moving to that page. Yep. So this is how the counselor dashboard looks like. So whatever profiling done on the landing page, that is the page you have seen before, you can see all these things are captured here. You can see all the details over here. We can see that around 27 files are available here. And down, if you look here, all these 27 files details will be available. So for example, the first profile is Vivek. So once I click on the report, for example, reports which is available over here, abroad report, the report will open up. So you can download it and you can give this report to the candidate. That is possible through this. And once, if you want to shortlist colleges or you wanted to do some editing in the profiling part, how we can do is that we can click on track. The profiling page will open up. Whatever altercations you want to do, you can do that through here. Behalf of the candidate, you can upload the document, you can do the college shortlisting, you can apply to the university. So everything, single thing you can do for this particular candidate from the CRM. So if you want to submit this application to the backend thing, that is the second part, because you must now knowing that the backend activities will be taken care by the EduMilestone team once you get the students, right? So how you can forward this file to EduMilestone? So for example, Vivek, you wanted to forward that file, select this, click on forward button, select what is the reason and submit. So that will be forwarded to the backend team. So why this is important is that because your dedicated counselor will not have access to your CRM or your record. So when you call them directly, then they won't be able to help you out in the first place. So first thing you need to do is that forward the profile from CRM so that automatically ticket will be raised to a dedicated counselor and they can access the entire this profile of the student. Then you can have a discussion. So that's how the forward part works. Now, next coming to the payouts, to understand more about that, payouts are available over here. We'll be able to see all the payout details, which is readily available. These are pre-calculated at a rate of 70%. So it is showing at 6.12, 6.1, 7.35. So this is what exactly you are going to get it off. So it's already pre-calculated and available in the platform. Okay. So next feature what I am going to showcase is that IELTS, how you can book a IELTS classes. So now here book IELTS demo option is available. So if your student wanted to take a IELTS course or IELTS demo, this is the way you should be doing, because these are the fees related, pricing related details which are available. If you want to book a demo class, you can click here. Then a calendar will open up. Then select the date, click this slot and proceed like that. Next, then fill the details and you can schedule the event. So that is also integrated in this CRM so that they can take up the demo classes and they can decide whether they want to continue, how it is like that. Now, coming to the third part, now that is very unique case, because I'm going to take a unique used case over here. For example, if you are in the business and some of the people you know can give you student profile from different part like that. So in that case, the question is, can I create a sub platform, because you already having a dedicated CRM like this, administrative CRM, right? Like this, can I give sub CRMs to my partners or people who are working for me in different part? And the answer is yes, you can. So platform gives you the flexibility to create up to 5 sub CRMs or up to 5 sub platforms under your branding, by the way, where you can add new referral person and they will be having their own CRM. But the thing is that they can only see their files, but you can see all the files, and they will be having limited control also. You want some more settings for them, you can do, you can control what are the things they should be seeing. So how it works is that go to settings. Here sub CRM settings is there. Just click on view. Here you can see one Mr. Varun is already working for me. So I have given one sub CRM to Mr. Varun. For example, I wanted to give one more sub CRM to another person. Add new. Provide the details of that partner. Submit. That profile will come like this, and you can login link share to the partner. That's how it works. And you can control what are the details they should be seeing in their CRM. How it can be done. Settings. See, payout enabled. That means yes or no. It's up to you whether you want them to see the payouts or not. You can decide. Show invoice, yes or no. It will be like that. All the controls are available over here. So you can decide what are the things they should be seeing or not seeing. So basically, every single thing related to international admission or Indian online or offline admission is seamlessly integrated under the one platform in a very simple way, so that you can leverage and scale up your study abroad business. So that's it about the technology part. So now I am moving over to Abu.
Thanks for the wonderful explanation, Brahmajit. I hope everyone cleared your doubts regarding the platform, how it look like, what are the the features which is integrated in the platform completely. Okay, so I hope you guys have complete understanding how exactly you can able to establish this business, and you can able to integrate with your as a service. Even you can do it as a part time or a full time, completely depends on you. Okay, you can able to integrate it. Now we are going to discuss the important thing about this particular business, which is the investment part. Of course, any business, there will be a investment. So this particular we have a investment which is a one time, which will be 1 lakh plus GST, 18 percentage of GST, 1 lakh 18,000 is the one time investment for the overall business integration. Of course, we do provide a EMI options completely based on CIBIL, either 3 months or a 6 months no cost EMI. So what you will be getting for this 1 lakh 18,000, why you have to pay 1 lakh 18,000? The training part, certification part, software, technology support, technical support, dedication admission support, marketing guidance, education loan assistance, IELTS, and everything will be integrated completely. Okay, why you have to pay this 1 lakh? So basically, it is a complete business setup we are providing you. Okay, where you can able to start it, and you can have a complete end-to-end support, as well as it is a one-time investment. It's not like every year you have to pay 1 lakh or 1 lakh 18,000. It is a one-time investment. And there is a one special I could say offer we are providing right now. We are providing a Republic Day offer for the specific program, which is valid till 26th, till Republic Day, which is 15% discount you will be getting for this overall program, which means instead of 1 lakh plus GST, you will be getting 15% discount, then plus GST will be there. Okay, and you have a time till 26th for to take this particular opportunity to avail this discount. So you can please connect with your business consultant after this meeting. They can able to help you all the discount part and all the offer parts, and they will be help you to get onboarded for this particular program. Okay, now the batch which we are having it 27 is the batch we are having it. 2:30 to 6 p.m. is the batch timing, and it is a 5 days training. So first day you will be having a study abroad industry overview. Second day you will be having a country-wise admission process. Third wise you will be having a counseling and profile building training, and fourth day is the platform training. What Mr. Brahmajit have explained you in the platform, all this training. And fifth day is the marketing training, which is specifically given by our CEO, Mr. Vipin Prasad, for a one day. You'll be having a marketing training. So 5 days of training, and the batch is going to be start on 27th January. And to avail the offer, which is till 26th, you have a time. Okay. I could see so many people are asking many doubts. So now we can have a proper discussion. I mean, we can discuss about all the doubts.
So, Mr. Arun Kumar Jain and Mr. Aravind are asking the kind of same question related to marketing and ad support. Yeah, definitely we will provide you support for your marketing in the form of materials, because when you do this study abroad business, you need contents like posters from universities related to admissions and all, right? So we have a dedicated marketing team. We will be creating those posters and share with you so that you can use these collaterals for your own brands marketing, and also that kind of supports will be provided from our end. And website listing, your profile will be listed in our Ready Milestones websites also, so that will give you more push. And we will provide you other kind of marketing support also, and through this training program you will be learning all those things basically. Yes.
Yes, Mr. Ashwath is asking, European universities are included. Yes, we have, as I said, we are having a university of more than 1,500 plus universities across 25 plus countries, 45 plus countries. So it is included European universities and multiple other countries also. It is included.
So next question from Tishmon Sebastian. Can we get a recording of this session? You can get back to your business consultant after this session is over. He will be able, or she will be able to help you regarding the same.
Yeah, Mr. Nitesh Patak is asking about, he wanted to join on 14 Feb. Yes, Mr. Nitesh, you can join. You can connect with your business consultant in order to avail the offer or whatever the other doubts you are having. You can please connect with them. Post this meeting, you will be receiving a one more message from our centralized WhatsApp system, where you got the same link. This session link. In that, you will be having a like callback option. You could request a callback option. Your business consultant will connect with you and then able to guide you completely. Yeah. Mr. Aravind Gupta asking about lead support. Yes, of course, we are providing your lead support. So that is why we like, having 1 day marketing training also, how to penetrate the market, understand your target audience, all this training we are providing. Apart from that, materials and everything, we are providing you all the collaterals. You can utilize it. Please connect with your more about the lead part or marketing part. Please connect with your business consultant. He can able to guide you completely. Mr. Nitish, actually, it is not included DMIT. Yes, DMIT is something different. This is completely into admission oriented, where we check the eligibilities, like basic filtration using the platform, and through that we are providing the admission process. Mr. Nitish asking about white label. Yes, Mr. Nitish, we do provide a white label option also. You can connect with your business consultant. They can able to guide you properly. Ramajit, over to you.
Revlin Agarwal, if someone is already certified and needs only platform, how much investment is required? Revlin, I'm not sure which certification you're talking about because when it comes to the triple CIS program, certification and the technology platform all comes together. So please check with your business consultant and get a clarity regarding the same because I'm not in the right position to answer that question. That's why.
Tabassum is asking about how much commission for online admissions. Tabassum, it is it depends on the university to university and program to program. It will be vary. So that is why in your platform you can able to exactly see how much commission you will be receiving for that particular admission, and you can able to calculate. Over to you, Prima.
So regarding that, Ashabd was asking about the commission for flight, hotel accommodation bookings again. So please check with your business consultant so that person will be able to provide you more information. Okay.
Jitender, you are asking about the IELTS success. As I already told you, that is 97% is the IELTS success. And Nitish, the first webinar we have been told that everything will be included. Yes, Nitish, this is completely that investment part. It is completely for the entire business integration. From the training part till the overall platform marketing and everything is completely included.
So Aditya was asking, can we also have special group packages to offer to colleges for endorsing their students for admission with us? Actually, Aditya, you're talking about a B2B proposal here. So it would be better you can have an one-on-one conversation with the business consultant and explain your business plan. So accordingly, I think you can have a solution based on that. Yeah.
Yes, Ganesh Ram asking how the payment from candidate for admission is processed. See, once you have processed the candidate, once the student join the university, then the university will give a commission that will basically take a time period. You can say starts from 15 days to 90 days, 120 days, depends on the university, and they will be releasing the payout. And from that, you will be receiving it in within 2 to 3 business days. Once the amount has been, I mean, the commission has been received. Yeah.
Santosh Gupta asks us two questions. Is it only for study abroad only, or it includes Indian University as well? I believe you're asking about the cost, Mr. Santosh. Yeah, it includes both actually for the study abroad business as well as the Indian University, online as well as campus. It includes both.
Yeah, hi. Ashwath is asking one more doubt regarding the accommodation booking, hotel, and everything. It's completely depends on what package they are taking it. Even flight booking also. It is economic class or it is a like elite class. So which type of bookings they are taking it, it will be vary completely. And Mr. Venkat is asking, see, a physical presence is not immediately required when you are starting at Venkat, but if you are planning to expand like more, you can keep a physical offices. But my personal suggestion, you can initially check 6 to 1 year how exactly it is going, what is the revenue you can generate out of this business in various services, and then based on that you can decide how much you can able to spend for physical offices or employee and everything. Then you can decide. Initially if you wanted to start it, you can completely do it remote, because here you are not going to charge anything from the student directly. Everything we are going to get through commissions from the entity, let it be a university or let it be the hotel or flight booking and everything. Okay, so that you can able to completely do it remote. I could see many people are asking so many doubts. Actually, we have a very time constraint. Actually, it is a 5 to 6, and it is already 6. So you can please request a callback option, and you will be receiving a WhatsApp message. You can request a callback option. Your business consultant or your program managers will definitely help you all your doubts, whatever the doubts you are having it. So I can ask you, I can give you the answer for 1 or 2 questions. What local license or registration do we need to start it? Mr. Raj, you doesn't require any registration initially, but GST will be required or mandatory if you are making a revenue more than 20-25 lakhs of revenue yearly. Then you require a GST. Till that time, there is no registration is required.
Santosh Gupta in Indian University, it includes MBBS admission. Yes, it includes. Yeah.
Ashwat, again, the admission fee, it's completely what is the college fee? The same fee they will be have to pay. That will be in the platform completely. Okay. So I'm sorry, guys. All your queries, you will be receiving a callback later option, and you can request a callback option. Your business consultant will help you completely. And once again, thanks for joining all this, this wonderful evening and this wonderful session. I wish, everyone to onboard this for this wonderful program. Rupinshi, yes, we do provide medical admissions. Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for joining this wonderful session.